po today, may 80. Hi, we're going to ride in ferry today. 363. We're going to Waiheke Reserve. We'll see what's in there. 363. Oh my God, may complimentary juice ka agad. Thank you. Ang galing naman ng pang-welcome nila. Orange juice.
Thank you.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, let's go to on top. It's exciting. Oh, orange juice. Good. Complimentary juice ka agad. Ang sarap. Uy! First time. First time. Uy, yung upuan kakulay ng bus. Hi, first time.
Dito 6 so, saktong 6.
Oh, 6 daw tayo dito. Dito.
Ayoko. Kakasama.
It's a wrong because wrong way. We backwards.
The cafe bar is open if you wish to purchase any light snacks, hot or cold refreshments. Also down in the cafe area you'll find some complimentary water, sunblock and some brochures. Conditions on the harbour today, not the greatest.
Ay! Nakasakay sa ferry. Ang mga vehicles. Boy! Abi! Patience? Kaya maulan kung hindi sana rin. Summer naman pero umuulan. Nakakyat sana tayo sa taas. Habang yung ferry ay
May outline. Lipat na kami ng ano. Mag-drive text kami.
Yeah. Yeah, but when we get out of Bay, people buy. When we get out of the harbour.
Well, see what it's like.
Alright, yeah, but we're not even very far out yet. But
Where's Where are we gonna go?
Inside at the ticket office. Okay. Nice. Anyone have tickets for the Hop on Hopper?
it's cool, eh? It's about to start again. We're all looking forward to that pre-season. Hope our Warriors has
And they've had good sides.
made a couple of finals.
Had some really good sides.
I know.
On paper, they
No.
no,
Yeah,
I'd go back to
special trip.
the, you know, I grew up in the early
Walang naman
days.
yung bus, tayo lang.
It's begin going to the MCG to watch Australia and West
It
Indies.
was phenomenal.
I grew up
Nakasakay
watching,
ng
you know,
bus
like
din.
the 80s, you know, like Billy the Kid or Craig Clement come thundering in and all that sort of stuff. And
Well done.
Alan Warner and all those.
Hi! We're ready now.
I try on the second floor.
Yeah, we can. Thank you. Hello.
Thank you. Welcome back down.
Oh, nobody's here.
I try on the
Nobody's
second floor.
here.
To go up.
Kids want to ride in the pop.
Oh my God. Come here. On the front.
Kasya ba yung bus? Parang hindi kasya ang bus.
Hindi ka siya. Chijing, chijing.
Kasi yung air.
Oops.
Pinilit.
Kasi maluwag pa rito.
O, ayan pa. May isa sa lubong pa.
Okay, then.
Diba? Sarap pag nasa taas ka ng bus. You see the view. Yay!
Alrighty, folks. We are setting up.
Oh, nakasakay ka na din ng bus.
So we're now going to turn the bus around. We are leaving the orange line and we're going to make our way back along the blue.
So,
So
First
we'll
time
go
we
back
did it
through
on
the
bus.
Vineyard Valley, take a quick tiki tour up to the Batch Winery, and then we will keep on heading back towards Mathiatia through the villages.
dami naligo.
Kasi mainit dito sa atin kasi ang lamig. Boy. Ay, ganun. Babalik tayo from where we start?
Hindi ko alam. Mabalik pa, bakit?
Na, nag-ferry lang tayo. Tapos nag-ground.
Ikot lang natin.
Trip lang. Batang Road. Dito ba tayo dumaan kanina? Or baka different
Pero
naman?
Bantangi ito eh. Bantangi Street. Duman tayo dito.
Dumaan tayo dito kanina?
Oh, Bantangi yun eh.
It's a beautiful view.
Saan tayo ko pala dito ng mga explore? Di ko alam. Ngayon ko lang nalaman.
We're
kaya nga
coming
daw,
down to
Explorer.
stop number 11.
Mabalik-balik
Just
na ako dito.
opposite
Ngayon
of
ko lang
number
nalaman.
7. So if you're after Wild Estate, Stony Ridge, Soho, or Timotu, all four of them are here, folks.
Ang lalapit ng bus stop dito. Waiheke Island
Ito yung
Cemetery.
binaba kanina ng ano eh.
Oo nga,
Wait,
dito
yan
nga
ang
yun, no?
cemetery.
Kanina.
Oo, binaba nung...
Have been there already, I would highly recommend calling and making a booking or doing one online, as they are very busy today. So they are only serving bookings from now.
So, baba
Very
dyan, ito yung mga bahay, yung
Very beautiful view.
tinutulugan yung barko. Ay, ginawang bahay yung mga ano,
Barko?
bangka.
Ah, galing.
Oo, di ba sabi nung ano kanina,
But we're
ginawang
now
bahay
going to take
yung...
our little
Ah, baka yung mga
tour
hindi na
and
siya
head
ano,
up.
hindi na siya nagagamit na barko.
I'll tell you a little bit
Hindi,
more about
doon
this one
natutulog
as
na.
we head up there, folks.
Ah, ang ganda ng jeepney niya, oh.
Yan.
Mga luma na.
Itong rock bay na yan, ayan o, rock bay na yan.
Ah,
Baba na yan, marami kang project yan, doon pa sa kabundukan.
ganon.
Oo, dami yan. Oo,
Nila dito, oh.
hindi ah,
Ayun, oh, tinan mo, ang daming solar.
dami solar.
Ayun, oh, sa right side, ang daming solar.
Maraming kabayan dyan sa looban na yan.
Ganon.
Ay, nabangkang ginawang bahay yun.
Ah, ito din, yung bangka ginawang bahay.
Hindi yan,
Tama.
yung marami. Dito.
It's a
Ang
beautiful
lilit,
place.
yun lang ang problema dito, pag malaking truck yung dala namin,
Oo nga eh.
ang hirap
We
magdala.
are heading
Kaya
up
minsan, ano eh,
into
kailangan dalawang
Whakaneva
driver,
Regional
dalawang
Park,
maintenance.
folks. They
Gusto
mean
parang
to
unti na
shade
tala-
your eyes
Parang
from
wala mga
the
taong
sun.
nakatira.
We are currently making our way up through some
Kaya lang, hindi tayo
beautiful
doon
native
dadaan
museum
sa
with
ano eh,
bush.
sa tinadaungan namin eh. Doon talaga malaking
Diba?
barko.
Oo.
Yung ceiling, malaking barko yun.
Silin, iba kasi ang kinuha natin sa Polar 360 ako kumuha. Eh. Ang
Tama,
ganda.
ano,
Di, nak,
ito.
parang ito yung view namin pagpunta namin ng Palawan tsaka Bora. Parang mga ganito yung ano namin. Yung dinaanan.
Lots of our native New Zealand
Pag nabiyahe
friends
kami
who like
dito,
to live
kailangan
in this area here.
Mabilisan lang.
Tuis,
Kasi hinahabol namin pabalik eh.
bluebird,
Oo.
two white
Hindi,
tufts on
hindi
their
kami
chest.
dapat na-miss yung ano, barko eh.
Gereru,
Yeah.
our native with a
Sigurado
big
na
white
yan, walang
belly,
pahinga.
Oo,
Tuloy-tuloy yan.
tuloy.
some weka.
Kasi yung barko eh.
They're flightless
Di
brown
pwede
birds that
maghihintay.
run. Their heads are very pointy. When they run across the road, they look like little
Imagine
arrows.
mo kung saan tayo nakakapunta.
Kala mo ito, ang daming
Ang ganda
alam mo
mag-explore.
sa looban na yun, madaming bahay dyan.
Talaga?
Oo! Hindi lang mga secret na ano lang to.
Ang dami kasing ano, ang daming puno ano.
May mga secret na daanan lang sila na maliit lang. Tapos, o tayo, minsan nga truck namin, hirap na hirap eh. Yan, mga ganyan. Ay, wala ito. Daanan lang to. Yung truck
Ang
namin,
ganda ng
yung ganyan, no,
place.
mga secret na
Napakaganda.
daanan. Yan, napapasok
Ayaw,
yan.
papasok.
Kaso ano yan?
Walking, di katulad ng
talaga.
pinuntahan natin sa ano, sa... Ano yung winalking natin, Nak?
Yung mga simpleng,
Tutara?
mga simpleng bahay.
Ganun
na
yung
dito
mga
sa
walk
ilalim.
natin, ano natin sa Tutara. Oh no, ang ganda. It's like a virgin forest.
We are currently making our way up towards the Batch Winery up here, folks. Batch are the
Grabe yung
highest
tour
winery
natin na
on
to.
the island. 200
Nakakatuwa, ang
meters
dami ng
above
layo
sea
na
level.
napuntahan natin.
They grow some beautiful
Yung bahay.
dessert wines
Ito
up
bahay,
here.
sigurado to. Yan, sa
They
looban
also
niya.
have a lovely
Yan,
Bahay.
yan,
restaurant
palayo. Oh,
with
bahay.
panoramic views back
Yeah.
over Vineyard Valley.
Hindi ako mapupurd bumiyahe pag ganito kahit maghapon.
If
Ang
you're
ganda
not
kasi
making
ng view.
back, there's also the Cascade
Greenery and talagang
Loop
ano,
walking track.
fresh forest.
Takes about an
Ang
hour
ganda ng
or up.
nature.
You make your way down to a beautiful but very small waterfall.
Nakakatakot
You
din
get
dito.
to see lots of
Pag nahulog
orange
sa
New
bangin.
Zealand bush and native birds. And then you make your way back up. It does involve a lot
Ano,
of
bangin
stairs.
na to eh, oh.
It's also
Yeah, may
where
kasalubong
the
na.
lions for that one,
Well.
folks.
Ito.
Now once we get up
Batch
here, we are
Winery.
just going to turn the bus around. So bear with us. Please stay seated while we do so.
We can drop off dito. Sa winery na to.
Kami ang gumawa nito. Oo nga, yung diretso doon. May project kami dyan. Yung diretso yan doon, no?
Pwede tayo mag ano dito.
Wine mga to eh.
Ito
Ah,
para
mga
sa amin
wine.
din to eh.
Ang bawal lang ang gawin dyan.
Ano nga pala to?
Mag-u-turn.
Hindi yan na nasa, yung nasa dagat pa.
Hmm.
Saka may mga
Nasa
damit.
dagat sila nakatira?
Oo, mga damit,
If
di
you
ba?
look out the left-hand
Ay, ano,
side,
Ay,
damit to.
oo.
that is Pretty
Oo.
Bay.
Diyan sila nakatira.
Ginagawang bahay nila yan eh.
Maraming ganyan.
Oo.
I know, you know.
Ayun, bahay na.
Ay, oo. Ay, Diyos ko, nakatagilid. Di paano yun kapag pag ano, pag mahangin, di ang galaw din nila.
Ang cute ng dalawa
Steady
kabyo.
na yan.
Ang cute ng dito. Kaya
Ayan,
nga.
oh.
Ay, tama yung isa tagilid na.
Pinas may ganyan din yun.
Di ba sabi ng driver kanina? Bus.
Nakasaan na ng barko.
Ferry, nakasakay ka na ng ferry, nakasakay na ng plane, nakasakay na ng bus na may ano, second floor. Dito na tayo hindi nakakasakay. Police car.
Gusto mo kumakal dyan?
Sumakay dyan. Sila kami, baka mga ano, bala ka dyan.
Ito lang mahiki.
Alin?
Ito lang, tiyan mo. Paikot na yan. Ito lang mahiki.
Oo nga, pero ang ganda
Kasi yan
ng
ang
place.
ano lang ano.
Ayun, oo, napakaganda ng
Now,
place.
folks, stop number 12, Batch Winery.
Hindi ba ba tayo dito?
Wait natin sila tita.
Villages nga tayo.
Sa local village tayo, Abi, kasi doon yung may seafood restaurant.
Yung lume.
Lume.
Village. Ayun, ay Diyos ko, ang bahay nila, ang lapit-lapit na sa beach talaga, oh.
Gusto mo makita yung bahay na bulok na.
Oo,
Saan?
grabe yung bulok niya.
Hindi
Saan-
mo
saan
kasi
yun?
pinituran Abi.
Bumalay ko ba? Saglit na saglit lang naman
Saan
yun
yung
eh.
nakita?
1,000 years na?
Yung sinasabi ni Tita David kanina.
1,000 years na daw?
Oo, 1,000.
Basta
Grabe
magigiba na
talaga.
daw, tapos in-offeran daw sila 1.2 million.
Ayaw niyang
Para
iyak.
ibigay or iba ano yung bahay. Ayaw daw nung nakatira doon.
Kasi talagang ano siya,
Siyempre,
Ah.
sentimental value.
binabalyo niya talaga
Para
yung
may
utang.
nakatira pa eh.
Saan nakita nyo?
Nakita ko eh.
Tulog ako nun. Si Tito David
Oo,
lang
baka tulog din
nakakita.
ako nun ah.
Si Tito David
Tulog
lang
nga.
nakakita ko.
Sabi nga lahat daw ng Pilipino are sleeping. Siya lang daw yung awake.
Eh, gising ako ha kung mag-ano, ayaw matulog. Sayang view.
Wala, makantok ako eh.
Sa lahat ng biyahe gusto ko matutulog lang ako eh. Kaya pag inisip ko, pag nagdadrive ako, paano kaya yun?
Pag nagdadrive ka na anak, ano ka? Alive ka na. Kapag passengers ka lang, you feel sleepy. Pero pag ikaw na nagdadrive, focus, hindi na. You have to be awake.
Kung nagdadrive, tagal nang naisip.
Pwede ka na next week anak, makakapag-start ka na.
Expiration siya eh.
Yeah, pero next week anak,
Yung paper.
anak, baka
Tawag mo nga.
it's because of holiday kaya nadidelay yung ano, yung dating ng card mo na license. Pero po, pwede ka nang mag-practice driving. Starting tomorrow, pwede ka na mag-practice driving. Hindi na tayo masyadong busy tomorrow.
Huwag na focus. Busy pa tayo hanggang 31.
Hanggang 1 pa pala. So, matuturuan ka, January 2, start na.
3. Pahinga tayo nito.
Sige, pahinga to. Okay, January 3 ang start ng driving practice.
Kasi
I'm too busy.
Ano naman, 30 ba sila bukas?
Yeah, 30.
30 bukas. Mauwi.
31 New Year. Oh, 30.
Tapos 30.
Tomorrow. Bukas, pagkaalis sila tita,
Ang Costco, di ba?
magkukusko. Tapos
nakasama.
31. Okay.
Tapos
31.
magluluto.
Magpe-prepare for New Year.
Tapos,
And
tayo
then,
pala, ano, di ba?
Sa bahay.
Kailangan ay sila pala yung pupunta
Sila
atin.
pupunta sa atin ng New Year.
Tapos,
And then 1, 2,
We're
I think
coming down
next
now
day.
towards
General
stop number
cleaning.
16,
Next day.
folks,
Oh, yun na,
for Oneroa Village.
general cleaning ng
This
2
is
and
your home
3.
of the shops and the
Oh, you can
restaurants
start
here in the main
driving, practice
township.
driving na.
Please just bear with us till we come to a complete stop in the bus stop.
Ang ganda.
okay, folks.
But pulling in now towards stop number 16
Favorite word niya,
for
folks.
Oneroa Village. This is stop 16,
nandito
Oneroa
na to?
Village.
Yeah. Stop 16 for the...
DPU.
Ang liit lang ng signage niya. The local. We'll see how the seafood. Hello, doggy. Oh, ang laki. The local seafood restaurant. Okay. Ang ganda ng food preparation nila or plating. And tasty talaga siya. Medyo pricey nga lang, pero worth it naman. O dahil siguro kasi nasa beach view, kaya pricey siya. At saka, syempre malayo sa market, kaya ganun yung price. Here's the bus. Our bus to go to ferry terminal. Excited ang mga bata.
Alrighty, folks. As
Ilagay
we
mo na
make
doon sa
our way
jacket
back
mo yung
down
ano mo.
to the ferry
Oo na.
terminal, please have
Kasi
a look
kung
around.
kunin sa'yo,
Make
hindi
sure that you
kukunin
do
mo.
have all
Yes.
of your
Hindi.
belongings. Make sure you've got your phones, wallets, ferry tickets, friends, family. Please take your loved and unloved ones with you.
Thank you for the
We're
beautiful
currently making our way down to Marciatia Ferry Terminal. Now we're gonna get there
Pwede natin
at
ito
4
magamit
o'clock.
pag nagpunta tayo
So
dito.
your next proper sailing will
Oh.
be the 4.
Baka marinig dito.
Chata Ferry. 1 kilometer. Oh, malapit na tayo sa ferry terminal. Thank you God for the beautiful weather. And thank you for the beautiful experience too. Beautiful place.
If you are wanting to go round again, heading up towards Mudbrick and Cable Bay, folks, there's going to be another bus, a white bus. They'll be just down ahead of us, so you'll jump off this one, walk ahead, jump on with them.
Nakatago pala
And
sa
if you're looking to
jacket
head
ko.
up to Mudbrick, please do just
Okay
be
lang.
aware they are quite busy
Hindi mo
today.
makikita eh.
We've been told that they're only serving bookings.
Actually, pwede pa
But
sana
Cable
tayo ng
Bay
isa pang
should be all
station.
good. We haven't
Ha?
heard
Pwede pa
anything
sana tayo
about
isang
that.
station bago bumalik. Kasi it's only 5:15 pa
If
ang
you are
next,
leaving
ang
us
ano
and
eh.
heading
Wala
back
ako.
to Auckland,
Ang lig ng
yeah,
pera.
Balik na lang.
Wala lang pera ng ano eh. Ano, last
5:15 ang last ferry.
Last pera yun.
Kaya
Yes.
nga, pag na-late pa tayo, hindi tayo nakauwi. Hindi rin nakauwi sila Tita Guy.
Hindi naman. Remember that we have a private
Okay lang
ferry.
tayo. Kahit hindi tayo matulog, okay.
Sila tita
Eh
guys.
kaso ang car natin doon
Oo.
nakapark tayo. Next na pupunta tayo dito, will not bring our car. Mag-Uber na lang tayo. Para ang ating para hindi worry sa sasakyan, sa
Ang
parking.
bilis
Eh kasi 1 kilometer, more than 1
Dami
kilometer
ng
lang.
tao. Kanina walang katao-tao.
It looks
Sa ano
like
yan?
the 4 o'clock has been
Tapos?
slightly massively
Oo.
delayed, folks. They're only just unloading now. So if you are quick and make your
Tama
way
si
inside,
David
go
kasi
and join
inano
the
niya
queue
kanina
and
yun eh.
potentially get the delayed 4
Rinig
o'clock
yun
sailing.
na eh.
Yeah,
No
nasa
need
kanya
to
kasi,
rush
nasa
and
kanya
skip
kasi
over each other.
Oh,
There's
rinig
quite a queue down
yun.
there. You'll be joining the queue. But we're coming in now.
Kumuha ka agad ng map.
Head straight through the building.
Going back to Auckland Terminal. Aray ko. Thank you Polar 360 for that good ride. Oo, kasi nga cancel yung yung two flights nila. Grabe kung gato kasi nga nakalutang lang pala to. Tingnan mo yan yung parang nakalutang lang din. Nakalutang lang din Inay ko. Yung lagi ko lang siya nakikita. Thank you Lord na experience ko na. Madalas ko lang siya nakikita pag pumupunta kami dito sa city. Mga street malilinis kasi. Oo. Bawal magtapo ng basura. Ay, si Brother David, hanap ka na. Tsaka yung mga street dito, Ate Guy, may street sweeper talaga. May street sweeper. Kiniklip talaga nila yung mga basura. Kaya talagang ang linis. Tsaka talagang napaka-less talaga ng mga nagtatapo ng basura. Ibababa. Kanina sa kabila tayo sa kabila tayo sumakay kanina, Ito yung kabila. Kasi kanina ito yung yung ticketing nila. Baba natin sa mismong ticketing nila. O yan. Diyan tayo sasakay di kapag magpa-public transport tayo. Yung gagamitin natin yung hoop card natin. Kapag pwede tayo mamasyal dito, we're going to use. Grabe kung gato matiknik. Kasi nga nakalutang lang pala to. Tingnan mo yan yung parang nakalutang lang din. Nakalutang lang din Tingnan Inay ko. Hi, thank you Lord for the safe travel and we had a good experience for today. Thank you for watching mga me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And see you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching mga me. See you on my next vlog. And please don't forget to share and like my videos. May God bless you all.